Today's physical activity is move like an animal. Okay, teachers, hop like a frog. Crawl like a crab. Flap like a bird. Slither like a snake. Stand like a flamingo. Be tall like a giraffe. On your toes, reach up tall.